Hello everyone and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're going to talk about handicapped cruising. Handicapped cruising can present a whole myriad of challenges. Please note that not all ships provide these accommodations. The first step you want to take is to find out if the ship that you have in mind has handicapped accessible rooms. If they do, you definitely want to book one of these. These rooms are often larger than your typical cabin and usually have things such as wider doors and larger bathrooms and larger showers, as well as grab bars to accommodate wheelchairs or other mobility devices. Generally, wheelchairs are not allowed to be kept in the hallways and must be stored in cabins. There are third-party companies that you may rent wheelchairs from if needed. If you're using a travel agent to assist you with your booking, please let them know if you need a cabin that's accessible. If you're booking directly with the cruise line, please let the special accommodations team know. However, not everyone who needs physical accommodations on a cruise needs an accessible room. If you need a room with a specific placement on the ship, such as near the elevator, please let the cruise line or travel agent know. Next, you'll want to consider any shore excursions you may want to book. While the cruise line can make accommodations on the ship, they work with third-party vendors who may not have the resources or equipment to accommodate your needs. If you need special accommodations for a bus tour, find out what the bus situation is before you book your excursion. Usually the special accommodations team or the shore excursions team can assist you here. Some buses and vans have handicapped seats in the front of the vehicle, which provide extra space for those who need it. If you have mobility issues, make sure you check with the shore excursion desk to verify that you can use your device. I was recently traveling with someone with arthritic knees who needed extra space on the bus. However, the bus was not equipped to handle his needs and we ended up canceling the excursion. In some cases, you won't get your money back. If you have any dietary restrictions, you can also contact the special accommodations team and they will relay any information to the appropriate teams on the ship. In some cases, they can even arrange to have you order your meals the night before while you're on board. If you have any physical limitations, you can often request preferred seating to meet your needs. They can also assist with stowing the scooters or walkers while you're dining. Now, if you have a medical device that needs to be plugged into a wall, check with the cruise line before you leave to see if they have any compatible plugs you can use. Cruise lines do not allow certain types of plugs and extension cords that may pose a safety issue and will confiscate any plugs that don't meet the standard, as well as extension cords. You can inform the cruise lines of this need at the time of your booking. If you have physical limitations on the ship, contact the special accommodations team before you board. They have special teams to assist you on and off the ship while in port. If you plan ahead and tell the cruise line of your needs before you leave, you will have a much more memorable experience. So, my seasoned cruisers, what has been your experience with cruising with special needs? We would love to hear any suggestions you may have for our fellow viewers. And as always, bon voyage!